Welcome to the live. Yeah, Sanbona. Last time I did a live, it was so nice. It was so nice. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do another one the next day, and I got very lazy. And the next day became the next day, became the next day, became the next day. It's like 2 weeks later now. But essentially, I got very, very lazy to do a live, so that's why I didn't do a live again after that day. But I had fun. I think that's the most amount of fun I've had in a live ever since against my live like TikTok, and that's a very long time. Like I've done a lot of lives, and I thoroughly enjoyed that live. So ke sengibuyile ke nenye live guys, ninjani niyenzani? What are you guys up to? This is just a catch up session. Sixoxe yabo bemnandi kube lokho. Hey guys, I am exhausted. I think I am tired, but I thought let me do this live. And then after the live ngizolala. Hi baby, ukuswa yini? Sabawela imali mina ngikubisa ukubawela imali nomsebenzi. Sibawela hi Mashak, hi Njabulo. Hi guys, yabona ke indaba umkhokha mina ngaye kuyiphendula kudala. Hi Fortune, hi Mzeka. Hey guys, akekho ongayifuna imali. Ayi mina shame ngithe nje indaba yale yasho angisayikhuluma ngikhathele. Uthembi ngimhambisa ngulani uthando. Hey KB. Thank you Lusa, ulale kamnandi nawe. Hayibona, nathi bazolibiza kamnandi igama. Nitshela umuntu kancane ukuthi angimingele umuntu eyi-1 ka-100. Umuntu obhala into eyodwa ka-100 siseqabana. Ngiyaphila mama njani noSipho? Ngimhlupheleni uThembi hayibo guys uthando. Uthando kuphela. Hayi sorry ke Mzex. So Coastal College unjani? Hey Coastal College. Hey. Hi. Asa nga-triggered. Hi Banele. Thank you Ntencane. Hi Cutie B. Hi Nalady. Hi Makajeni. Tani, uthini ingoma ngalokho ithi wayibona phi indlovu noboya benyathi kodwa gatsheni weboya benyathi awuyibone phi indlovu noboya benyathi endaba yaqala laphi lesibongo sakho uyibone phi indlovu. Anyway, hi Cutie B. Yeah, I greet you. Thank you Naledi. Hi Nombali. Ngakhumbula nomngane wami, hey, I've been busy, I've been up and down, I've been all over the place, yes. Hi Mbalula. Ungaphi uzobeshita ngumazi? Oh, bazana ukhethiwe. Hey. Khethiwe ungiqhatha nebhizi. Sabona Thoba. Hi Luthando. Don't you miss Umkhokha? Guys, get past Umkhokha. It's been over for a year for me. Umkhokha phela ngo-October thina kuthina. So, hlukana nalokho. Hi Mbodla. Waziwa muhle mama. UThixo angakuthathela eduze kwakhe kwangethuba usinde kula madoda. Oh! Eish! Siyabula. Hi Galax Boy. Hi Angel. Hi Minenhle. I'm happy to chat with that respected celebrity. Thank you. Angiyakubona kumalanga. Thank you baby grapes. Hey, siyazama. Ukupatanisa Sinqamelani yini uqoma? Unayo i-BM? Suyithethe loo nto siyothatha xa kutheni ndikwazelaphi? Awukho umuzi ongenayo le headboard. Awukho. Thank you Ntencane. Hey, where have you been? Angisakubonanga noma Instagram kakhulu yimina. We've been very scarce. Hope you're good though, baby grapes. Yo, babes. Moving on was YouTube. Not sure. Anyway, guys, let's not speak about Umkhokha. Let's just move past that. It's been a year. Like, let's go. Let's go. Like, Lulani, guys, I'm not entertaining any chats to do with Umkoka. If you feel like anything Umkoka, go to my Instagram, find a post about Umkoka. Go to my YouTube. I did a whole YouTube video, 2 YouTube videos on my channel. It's called Doing Life with Alice. So if you want to know about Mkoka and my thoughts on Mkoka or whatever, go to my YouTube channel. I am not speaking about that again. Guys, we can't be speaking about that again. We're going to move on. Let's speak about Amalanga Wafani. I'm on Amalanga Wafani right now. Let's speak about that. You know? As telling it was a family. It's not dwell on the past. Alrighty. Hi, Sando Kuala. Why are you not sleeping? I'm not working tomorrow. I'm unemployed. Why are you not sleeping? Ewan Dungoye. Mona Calvin. Oh, my soul. Wait, what's going on? Yo, baby grips. Hi, Kolilu. I'm on Amalanga Wafani. 6:30 Monday to Friday on SABC 1. Unblockile uThembi uyangila. Thank you, Masangweni. I-filter le ngiyifakile ngingazubona ngathi skin sami si-perfect i-filter. Kunto engiyifihlile. Yes, talk about Amalanga Wafani. Sana indaba yaseThekwini namaXhosa ngifuna ukuyikhuluma. What is about Thembi's fan? What do you mean? Thank you, Mbali. Can you see my nails? Who is this? What's going on here? Okay, I think someone is writing the same thing 100 times, and those are grounds for which I keep it live here because angiyizwa one aliyo tuti mina live here. Angiyakubhanta yodwa ka 100 singabona nje nama comment abanye abantu. Hayi ngayenzi leyo nto. There are my nails, Lillian. Lapha ngiyakhipha exercise. No, I think I'm gonna remove them on Saturday actually. Because I keep a Saturday, sengicabangile. Ngiyakwazi ukukhipha kusasa inkulu into esazokwenza kule weekend. Ngiyadlala ngamanga. How? Sengibonile bengizokhipha kusasa. Bese ngizokhipha ngoLwesine but nginama event this weekend. Ngikwazi ukuya kuma event ngathi intombazane engasile. Why don't you go to Ineba? Seyayiqasha yini? Sesayiqasha. Hi, Snethemba. When are you coming back on screen? How? Kanti ngenzani Amalanga Wafani with Junaid? I'm not working, I'm unemployed, but I am an Amalanga Wafani right now. Thank you, Le. I think I'm saying this thing for the second time, and I hate people who write the same thing twice. So, disclaimer, if you write the same message twice or 100 times, ngizoblock. I hate that with my life. I hate that. Anyway. Thank you for the donuts. Thank you, Lirato. Thank you, Innocent. Good night, baby grapes. Guys, I miss you so much. I love you. Hi, Miranda. You should definitely watch Amalanga Wafani. Guys, please don't ask me about people who are not in this live. Please don't ask me about anyone else. Like, don't ask me about other people. Guys, men have my colleagues now. Like, honestly, I don't get this line of questioning. Let's talk about the person you're using right now. Okay, thank you. Hi, Kwanele. Hi, Kimberly. Hi, Nundu. Dear Betty, I prefer makeup and I prefer natural. I prefer both. I appreciate the comment, but I really think that it's not a nice comment. No offense. Like, I prefer you with this or without this. Because what's I manje I feel insecure about it because when I have a preference, just say that you look nice. Keep it at that. You don't need to be saying I like you without, I like you with. You know? You really don't have to say a preference about someone's appearance. Oh, ngikuthanda uma yislender. Lapho umuntu sokhuluphala uthakasini. akahambe endlini ayokhala ngoba yena sokhuluphela. You see, don't make comments about people's appearances, guys. Khona umbuzo why engakuthi why usukaphi. Guys, asiyiqashe. I've been saying ndiyekani ukuthi manje uyosebenza PPP. I can't employ myself. I can't tell them to take me. Unfortunately. Hi, Kwanele. Went to Jelani Zulu. I've been living in KwaZulu-Natal my whole life. Thank you, Ndu Zuma. They're not really new. They've been around. Like, look at them. Yeah. They've been around for a minute. Because the other day, we sick habit. Oh, ma. So leli nje mangibamba izinto bengazi ngaphuma nezipho lami lonke, but wona nje asemahle ase-right futhi nje I think this is the best set I've had. Abantu nje bayiloko bengincoma bengimisa ma azamahle baziphaka ngiqamba yeah lapha ngixoxa indaba kunenye indawo engakhasta kuyona angiyosho usuku olodwa babengayifuni inzipho ngababuza before ngiyukuthi lalelani ngiqeda ukuzenza le inzipho manje ngize yini lapho khona ngizovele ngingasebenzi makuthi angiyithandi bathula ngabe fikile abanga ngizodrive ngisuka eThekwini ngeMaritzburg mase ngifikile bathi nje no sifuna inzipho kumele uyigunde ngathi lutho dali ngibuze kabili ngingaze ngidumise imoto yami ngingakoyidumisa imoto yami ngivuke ngidumise imoto yami ngize la ngibuze kabili ukuthi izobe inkinga yini le nzipho sebethi nje he ngathi nje lutho dali aziyindawo wagcina ngisho sengazi namanje ngavela ngaba nenkani because I was like ngishilo I saw your brief and I respected it hence ngabuza ukuthi zizoba right yini so that's my ukuthi ninenkinga nazo ngisale sengisho ukuthi ayingeke ngikwazi ukufika because bengiqeda ukuzenza bena manje ngisenenzipho zami babefuna ukuyigunda bese bazoyigunda abayipende ngathi mina ikupenda yikho inkinga because vele i-cutex yawazi ukuyisusa ungayigunda kube njani ke manje mase igundiwe so ngaba ngathi ayixboza yami khosha kodwa maqola mangishutha nazo inzipho baphethe abayifuna thank you Akona for the donuts. Hey Chulumango. Thank you Innocent for the heart me. Gine pride nganziba guys. First of all, a lot of the time I walk around with headphones in my ears, so I'm not gonna hear everything that everyone's saying. A lot of the time I think a lot about things. Like mina ngiwumuntu kusho ukuthi ngikhulume ngomlomo ngihamba ngedwa. That's how much I've got a lot of things going on in my head. So ngizongibingelela ule kude nami ungazi kumina ufika ukuthi alizwa sawubona hayi lutho khohlwa ngeke ngikuzwe. Mina uma ufuna ukukhuluma nami ngangimemezi ungakhulumi nami ule kude uboza kumina ngiqonde. So you can't say that ngakuziba unless you walk up to me and say hi alizwa ngikuzibe. Yabo? Thank you for the glow, Nakanya. Remember on my birthday, 5th December, what's a birthday? Love you too, Cleopatra. What if we're not here and we just start going into the live? I'm so confused. Yo. Kala ngizomblocka ngimbona bhala ama message awu100. A1. Yes, Wanatoba. It's the one. Buona malaka wafani, guys. That's where we are now. Molo show, slide kahle show. Hi, Band. Hi, CP. Hi, Saki D. Happy birthday, Lillian. Hi, handsome boy. Thank you, Innocent. Hi, Luvuyo. Hey, P. Guys, yena lento ukuthi kumele uyo-actor-ke angikwazi ukuyiqasha. Kumele kube yibona bathi sicela alizo-audition esimthathe. Angikwazi ukuyiqasha. Mhlawumbe kumele nisho kubona or nisho ka-DStv ukuthi sifuna u-Alizwa ukuyitonga. Lento yokuthi why unga-act endaweni ethile. Why wena ungasebenzi kamasipala? That's like asking someone ukuthi why ungasebenzi kamasipala? Uzosebenza kanjani beke ngiqashanga? Yabo guys, isebenza kanjani leyo nto? You can't just go and say that ngithatheni. Hi Kukulethu, hi Vuyelwa. Guys, ngizoyisho ugcina lento angithanda into yomuntu obhala the same thing 100 times. Like it makes me block you or restrict you from my life because ugcwalisa ama-message engawadingi. Like uyagcwalisa ngizoyinto abangawabona ama-message abanye abantu because wena ufuna ukuba bright wedwa. Musu ufuna ukushine. Let's give other people an opportunity ukuthi na ama-message abo ngiwabone. Because now it ends up refreshing ngawabona ama-message abantu. Like let's not be unfair. Let's not be selfish. Okay? Alrighty. Thank you. Yabo seveya refresher futhi. Yes, please vote for me. Oh, guys, I've been nominated for the award of best newcomer for Iroliam Gumit the Kumalos. Yay! Shadisanda! So please vote for me, guys. Ukuthi ngiwine award. The link is on my bio. So ungene kule link, it's gonna make you register. Musu registile ubheke lapha into le link le that goes to voting for ama awards, ama National Film and Television Awards. Then when you've clicked on the link, you're gonna go find best newcomers of your lapha. Then uzobona uAlizo Sekafungana meet the Kumalos. Guys, please vote for me. Please support. Please help me bring the award home. Guys, nivotise nabantu basemakini ngiyanicela bandla. Malononos, hi Gwenza, hi Nokhanya. Hey Mnqobi, can you act with me? I don't know. Angiqashi umuntu. Ngakho nami ngi-unemployed ngihleli ekhaya. Hi Hlengiwe, thank you. Hi Sphe. Good night, Yamkela. It's so awkward. I hate that you look better with or without makeup, or me until you look pretty in. Exactly. It's such a stupid thing to say. Sorry if it offends anyone, but it's a stupid thing to say. I mean, there's nothing wrong with having an opinion. Or you don't need to say it. Like you don't need to then go to Alice and say, oh, umuqoke isikete umuhle kodwa kumele sibe side ngoba uma sisifishane akukufanele uthi mina ngizizwa kanjani. Uthi ni self confidence yami. You see, it's a problem. So, my opinion go right, but awukufunda ukuvala la, uvulela. Hi, Speso Nkosi. Guys, I feel like I keep singing the same song about people who are writing the same comment and like saying block because you can't be right. Also, if you think that I'm not responding to your comment, it's deliberate. It's literally deliberate because there are certain things I said I ain't live like I ain't so so if you keep writing it, I'm just gonna end up restricting you in the live. Okay. Moving on. Thank you, Yamkela. Oh, I love long nails down. Okay, I love them. These are shorts. I feel like these are shorts. Ngangekho happy. Ngelength. I felt like they were shorts. I feel like they could have been longer. But they're nice. They're really nice. Thank you, Gugu. Shame, I got waxinga. When it comes to me. Guys, when people are asking me when I get my coming back onto TV, and you should follow me so that when you follow me, when I post things, you see them. You guys are not following me. Do you see now? Thank you, Nokanya. Hi, Rosa. Sawubona mahlobo, sawubona Phakama. Sawubona Nolwazi. Hi, Amy. Like you too. Awuyithandanga akushuthi inxese. Oh, yiphi iqala? Nurse Zipiwe, I love you so much, guys, and I tell them which we're on SABC 1. Hey, Owetu. Bakuthola ngesikhathi engibangithola isikhathi esirong and mina ngiyathatha-ke we mina-ke yabona-ke mina ngiyathanda ngilo anti lo thathayo. Hey Sweetness, hey Lungi, hey Judge. Birthday yami ngo-March. Hi VS. Hi. Thank you. We are voting, guys. So please do go to my link, the link in my bio, register, vote. For our National Film and Television Awards. Best newcomer, guys. How ngiyangicela. Mhlawumbe ngizoya nokuthatha amasenivoteni. Sawubona bafunani. Yo. Avela refresh. Guys, I refreshed it and I think I had like 60 new messages. So now I need to go. Yeah, sengiwatholile kade ngikona. Hi Buhle, thank you. Khona Buhle noBuhle. Hi Cantona or Cantona or however you read that. Hi Prof Bingo. Hi Samoya. Hi HTTPS and your girl Prosper. Thank you Tiger Walk. Hi Mangwabe. Hi Mapumu. Hi Lenore. Hi Awonke. Thank you. Please do vote. Please do vote. Hi Misty. Hi Sponile. Thank you. Magvotweni. Hello Jackie. Hi Lenore. Oh my soul. Hey, bona ke look at refresh and I will look. We have device time up like that. Oh, hi Simk. Aliza is another name for Simpiwe. Basically means Simpiwe. Hi Awonke. Awonke, I feel like I've said this to you already. I don't know why you're sending another message when I said don't. Hi Kwanel. Hi Elias. Hi Lulu. Acting is going. Da, da, da. Funny Mondays to Fridays, 6:30 only on SABC 1. Mzansi for sure. Hi, Bonge Tsintelan. Hi, gay, give my 1K. Hi, Sia. Hi, Skumbuzo. Hi, Mashozi. Hi, Afeziwe. Hi, Sondile. Hi, Misa. Mini girl Afeziwe. Umenzani uThembi sisilutho tali. Amankentsheni. Hi, Sibusiso. Hi, Sunflower. Well, ngiyabuya la eThekwini this weekend. Kumele ngiyibone before ngihambe. Kumele ngibone usana lwami before ngihambe. Kanye senginosana. Nginengane inhleni isiqhubho somhlaba. Uma ngathi ningayibona. Ngiyaqhubeka nonke la emhlabeni manje ngiyibona. Ndithe fish ke namhlanje. Sisi bengasenqanda ngixola ukhethiwe was recorded on a mission. Uxoli nje makasuke endleleni, awusuke endleleni ijobe. Because umuntu obulisa ka-100 mina ndimbulisela ndimhoyi. Guys, dungu alizwa ningokabike. Bulisani kahle alizwa. Hi Sibongiseni. I'm good, thank you, Sunflower. Hi Michelle. Ooh, Sana. Hi guys. This is another person complaining about seeing me in public in Gangamnaga. My thing is, Mina, until you come to me, walk up to me and say hi, I am not hearing you. When I go out, I put headphones on. I want to hear music. I want to be distracted from the things that are happening around me because I become music on my ears. So I will never hear you. And half the time, I'm getting some because I don't go out smiling because I'm going to be seen by the public. Half of the people outside don't even know me. So until you walk up to me and say that you walked up to me and say that, hi Alice, then Lerato Shem, it's on you. I'm sorry. It's on you. You shouldn't grab me from a distance and think that, oh, no, don't think that, oh, but no, walk up to me. What's the hi, Alice, or hi, Kapsile, whatever the case may be. Because I feel like a lot of people then expect to or whatever they do, you'll go running to them and guys, it's thinking as it to Tina. Snake dresses so. Like literally, even that thing I didn't want to be there. First of all, I'm going to from Etegwini back to Margate and got sick late and I had to get things I needed to get and I was tired and I was sick. So the reason I even remember this is because I haven't been to Pava in the past some 4 to 5 months, but last week. The time I'm born, that's why you can the event. You would see Pava. However, I don't really remember the incident with you because that was not my best day. When I'm outside, guys, literally, because I'm just. I'm so go to good interaction with me. Mina walk up to me, I figure cold face. Figure walk up was like me, no, say, hi Alice, or what from your college to me, unless it was some assessment or what's was of short. But it's in I don't know, sure. Guys, any go around expecting would see someone we expect to go around with these big smiles as well as when there's this like we are people, guys, we are humans. Snamatepits order, but I'm a tepits order like Gilayo. To do like hi. So we're normal people with normal everyday problems. Please stop holding us with these high expectations and unrealistic expectations. Like it sucks. Because manje, we end up trending for nonsense. What am I co-hosting? Hi! Look at us join us. Unjan. I did not expect you. I was like, is it even you? Or is it someone like you?
Let me fake.
Don't be fake. That's man.
Never, sisi, no.
Ngisaqulisa amaqala la.
Ba wena noma
Mina.
indaba.
Khona uthi omunye wangibingelela ephava ngasuka ngathi ngibona inunu.
Alice. Ali.
Hi. Hi! I haven't seen you in ages.
Unjani? Angisakwazi.
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Hey, ngiyagula ngiphethwe ingculazi.
Madle bakho tani.
Iwe, lesithu.
It's too much.
Lana phela amaphilisi. Nina amahair la.
Dlala izinto zala ku TikTok now.
Eziphi ama-games? Bengiqala ukudlala last week. I actually enjoyed it.
Tuzongishaya ke asidlalini ngoku.
You on my live. Of course I'm gonna beat you.
Let's
We
move.
both have
1-0.
twins. Guys, what? Guys, please send roses. Let's win this one. Get Rulo. Wandile. Guys, it's not past jail. I don't remember criminal records. Like, guys, please. Please. Nyazi last week, last of last week, abantu ababe ama number one gifters. By training Sabi Live and then we co-host live. So do the things. Why are you getting so many?
Let's move. No time is too bapim. Nangithi ngiyashaya umuntu osejele. Asende nama yellow crowns ke lawa thing washo. Let's move.
How ufika usawuvivile la kwi-live yami?
Lutho. Tap the screen nazo wano. Twala tulitwala silekelela wano.
Guys, kusokhona ba-yellow crowd angikwazi mina kodwa shine yellow crowd.
Uthe wena uzongishaya ngeke uhlule umuntu
Send
osejele.
ama-rose, send yonke into guys. Hawu ngaze guys. Ayijipivile yenzeka la. Nivuma kanjani ngami? Ngithi siyathanda la ngithi ngiyanithanda.
Ngizokushaya ukuthi wazi wayisola.
Hayi ngeke.
Ungayisoli bazokushaya njalo.
Hayi shem, namdayisa umuntu la ekhaya.
Bathi love this girl so much. Bathi bayakuthandana la. Kodwa bazokushaya khona kunjalo. Three roses please. Let's move. Precious, jengisana ama-roses awu-3 ngibona ukuthi nimthanda ngempela.
Faka ama-rose guys, faka ama-rose, faka yonke into, rose, ice cream, hugs,
Let's move.
what's this?
No time siyozayo
Everyone send a
siyamove.
rose, send a rose guys, send roses.
Nange
Can you
sondele
send
nemose
a
100 something.
rose? Yes, we're
Yini
reaching targets.
sokhe.
2 times gifting soon, we're reaching targets guys. Guys, buka, lo muntu akawina kayi-2 nami ngawina kayi-2, so please.
Uyicolleague impela kodwa kufanele ngishaye. Asenze ama-yellow crowns unama no times 2. Let's move.
Guys, yosho mina zangidayisa emhlabeni. Nazi zangidayisa emhlabeni
Yes,
guys.
asipushe now. Asingasenda ama-200 coins only. Yellow crowns only.
Guys, nazi nangidayisa emhlabeni, nazi nangibukisa nezwe. Hawu.
Bacele besende lapho. Lapho uthe uzongishaya ngoba ngisejele.
Guys, nivuma umuntu osejele awine over thina. Umuntu osejele. Hayi bandla. Hayi.
Sesahlala. Yabo ngoba siboshiwe nje
Uzuza
sesahlela
sami
ukuthi
lesesla.
siwine.
Ayikho lento. How guys? Guys, and I'm passing my rose. Nisende
Ama-crowns kanje.
ama rose. Nisende what's this? Ama hearts. Nisende yonke into actually. Yonke into esendwayo ilezi zinto. Angazi ilezi zinto esendwayo.
Uzofunda ube uyathanda.
Boring. Bored. Uthi ama-celebrate abhora lana-ke.
Kanjani?
Shuthi lama-boxing match.
Why besho njalo?
Shuthi abawathandi because angithi phela now I can't read their comments.
No, I can't.
Because I've
I've give
realized
up.
that about bayakuthanda attention. So now because we're busy with what we're doing, we're not really attentive. So it's like,
Ne?
yeah.
Batshela ukuthi usabathanda kodwa khona kunjalo.
Ngiyabathanda noma bengeka ngishawa. Bengingaze
Exactly.
ngashawa.
Yazi mele uthini? Ukuze sibone bayakuthanda abangakuvumela ushayo.
Hayi mina sengigive phela. Guys, kuthatha 30 seconds ngizoshawa. Ngithulile nami buka ngishawa futhi makuphela le game lena mina ngiyalala guys ngidayisile emhlabeni. Hawu nazi nangibukanisa nezwe. Naze nangibukanisa nezwe.
Wano uthini manje?
Oh my god.
Wano ukhuluma ngani manje?
Hey guys, welcome to everyone who's just joined the live. Please send gifts. Please send a lot of gifts. Okay, it doesn't even matter now. Save your gifts. I accept defeat. It's whatever. Peace. Shame. Nizosidla ngisanifuna. Abantu abarongo la emhlabeni.
Wabhaka.
Ubona uzongishaya nje bakhohlakela amadoda. Hawu Nkosi yami.
Amboza amabanye.
Hayi angisafuni sengigileke kakhulu ngizove ngilale nje. Hawu guys nazi nangidayisa-ke ezweni. Hawu ndaba yenu. Hawu. Utayitshena ukuthi unabantu. Kanti lutho. Nayeka nje ingane yabantu eshayeka nje. Hawu guys. Yazi nabukisa nami ezweni. Sinabantu la ngaphandle sishawa kangaka. Hayi mina sengiyayivala kwele live shem. Le ayinabantu abave bakiye kushawe. Hawu. Hubima. Kunzima. Igqirha lendlela nguqondwane. Ifuna maybe 95% ngiqala le live. I don't know how long I've been live for, but manje 6:69. It's giving angilali. Ngiqedile ibhetri lami. Guys, please don't forget, please vote for me. For my National Film and Television Award. The link to voting is in my bio. It is free. Voting is free, guys. Guys, please help me win this award. So please vote for me. Thank you very much. I think Manjung Zolana should be still online. Yeah. If I get copies, I can cancel actually because I have a very long day tomorrow and again I'm not to work soon. So yeah. You look. Also being live, I hope. I'm past 9 ganji. But it's been nice hanging out with you guys. Bye. And thank you for loving my nails. I don't know if you don't love my nails. Oh, go to funny little inspo screenshots. Okay, bye. So again, guys. Nibe right, nilale kahle, niphuphe kahle. Ama phupho enu afezeke nibe nemali eningi. Bye.